Are you tired of endlessly searching for that perfect rustic furniture piece, only to find cheap imitations or exorbitant prices? We've all been there, dreaming of that cozy, reclaimed wood aesthetic, but not knowing where to start. Today, I'm revealing my secret sources for timeless rustic decor that will transform your home into a sanctuary without breaking the bank. Welcome back to the Decor channel, where we break down beautiful interiors into actionable steps you can recreate at home. I'm giving you a sneak peek at the exact pieces and where we'll find them to achieve this warm, layered rustic look. We'll start with a reclaimed wood dining table sourced from artisan and sellers, then anchor the living space with a neutral linen sofa and textured throw pillows from Pottery Barn. For character-rich accents like ceramic vases and antique-style lanterns, we'll explore affordable global-inspired finds at World Market. To complete the look, we'll incorporate handmade touches, distressed wooden frames, woven baskets, and warm ambient lighting that elevate the cozy atmosphere. By thoughtfully combining investment pieces with accessible decor and meaningful vintage accents, we can recreate a space that feels layered, authentic, and effortlessly inviting. So by the end of this journey, you'll know exactly what to buy, where to find it, and how to bring the entire look beautifully together. Today, we're unveiling the best sources for ethically sourced, genuine reclaimed wood dining tables, consoles, and shelving pieces that carry history, character, and sustainability in every grain. When searching for authentic reclaimed wood, start with reputable marketplaces, where independent artisans often share the story behind their salvaged materials, or trusted retailers, which highlight responsibly sourced collections. For truly one-of-a-kind finds, explore architectural salvage yards and local restoration workshops that reclaim wood from old barns, factories, and historic homes, ensuring materials are repurposed rather than discarded. We're diving into one of the most powerful techniques in rustic decor, layering textures to create an inviting and truly cozy environment. In rustic interiors, texture is everything. It brings depth, warmth, and authenticity to a space in ways color alone never can. Start with foundational elements like reclaimed wood furniture, woven jute rugs, and linen or cotton upholstery to establish a natural base. Then, build dimension by adding chunky knit throws, distressed leather accents, soft wool blankets, ceramic pottery, and aged metal details that reflect handcrafted charm. Mixing rough and smooth surfaces, such as pairing a raw wood coffee table with a plush fabric sofa, creates balance and visual interest while maintaining comfort. Don't forget the subtle textures found in greenery, like eucalyptus stems or dried pampas grass, which soften hard lines and add organic movement. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Warm-toned bulbs, lantern-style fixtures, and candlelight enhance the tactile quality of every material in the room. By thoughtfully combining layers of natural, imperfect, and time-worn elements, you transform a simple space into a soulful retreat that feels lived in and deeply comforting, proving that mastering texture is the key to achieving that timeless rustic coziness we all crave. We're identifying the go-to places for vintage-inspired decor like ceramic vases, antique-look lanterns, and old-world maps that instantly add depth and story to any space. Start your search at online marketplaces offer unique, handcrafted, and genuinely aged pieces. For accessible yet stylish finds, explore retailers like that often carry vintage-inspired collections with an old-world aesthetic. Don't overlook local flea markets, antique shops, and estate sales, where you can discover one-of-a-kind ceramic vessels, weathered lanterns with patina, and authentic maps that carry real history. When shopping, pay attention to materials, finishes, and subtle imperfections that create that lived-in feel rather than overly polished replicas. By sourcing thoughtfully and mixing authentic finds with well-crafted reproductions, you can curate a layered, nostalgic atmosphere that feels collected over time, proving that the right vintage-inspired pieces can transform your home into a warm, story-rich retreat. We're exploring simple DIY projects to create rustic charm, from distressed paint finishes to beautifully upcycled decor that tells a story. One of the easiest techniques is distressing painted furniture. Apply a base coat, layer a contrasting color, then gently sand edges and corners to reveal a naturally aged look that mimics time-worn farmhouse pieces. You can also transform old wooden crates into wall shelving, repurpose glass jars into lantern-style candle holders, or turn reclaimed wood scraps into floating shelves packed with texture and warmth. Even small touches, like wrapping twine around vases or adding antique-style hardware to plain cabinets, can instantly shift the mood toward cozy rustic living. The beauty of these DIY projects is that they are budget-friendly, beginner-friendly, and completely customizable to your space. By embracing imperfections and reimagining everyday items with creativity, you'll not only craft decor that feels authentic and soulful, but also create a home that reflects your personal story, proving that rustic charm is truly built by hand and heart. In conclusion, creating a warm and inviting rustic home is about intentional choices, from layering rich, natural textures and sourcing ethically reclaimed wood furniture to discovering vintage-inspired treasures and embracing simple DIY projects that add personal charm. Each element works together to build depth, authenticity, and comfort within your space. When you thoughtfully combine texture, history, sustainability, and creativity, you transform your home into more than just a beautifully styled interior. You create a meaningful, cozy retreat that reflects character, craftsmanship, and your own unique story.